How's it going, everybody? Dan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Donner Tube Drive by Donner. So a few months back, I was in the market for a distortion pedal / overdrive pedal, just something to bring a little more to my pedal board setup that I currently had. Like many of you, I found myself on Amazon, eBay, Musician's Friend, Z-Sounds, just looking at what everything is out there, what all I could get, what the price points are, and I actually ended up buying another pedal, which I still use as well. And then I did buy the Donner Tube Drive, which we're going to talk about today. So I actually ended up finding it through eBay and all that stuff, and like I said, I'd already bought a pedal, and I was kind of at like, but then I saw the price point, and I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm going to test it out, see what this thing's all about. Well, long story short, it sat on my shelf for a few months. I didn't actually put it on my pedal board immediately until a few days ago, which is what kind of pushed me to make this video. I wanted to kind of start this kind of little series thing anyway, and I figured why not start with this, because I actually was very impressed with it, and I thought for anyone else who was kind of like me back then, maybe you could get something out of this as well. So we're going to run this through a Marshall HDFX 100. I'm going to have it on the clean channel with all the knobs at 12 o'clock. I'll have it on my pedal board, no other pedals whatsoever being used, and that way you guys can hear it on a clean, and then I'll kind of also add it to overdrive and distortion channel as well, and just see how it colors and all that. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so that's going to wrap that up. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Full disclaimer, I am not in any way, shape, or form affiliated or sponsored or get money in any way from Donner pedals to make this video. I just really wanted to make a review of it. I am extremely happy with the product myself. I hope you will be if you decide to purchase it. And yeah, so if you liked this vid, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to stay up to date for any releases of other future videos that will happen. And y'all have a great day.